Ancient Kyoto. Among the city's traditional streets and historic atmosphere, one structure stands out in a strikingly different way. Covered in glass and modern in design, Kyoto Station contrasts sharply with the image of the old capital. Today, we'll be exploring this massive station complex. Kyoto Station serves as a major transportation hub, bringing together the Shinkansen, local train lines, and the subway system. It functions not only as a gateway for tourists visiting Kyoto, but also as an essential part of everyday life for local residents. In front of the station is a huge bus terminal where streams of people spread out toward different parts of the city. In many ways, Kyoto Station truly serves as the gateway to Kyoto. Kyoto is a gateway to history. Based on this design concept, the entrance of Kyoto Station was created to resemble a giant gate. One of the station's most impressive spaces is the atrium, a vast open interior covered with around 4,000 glass panels. Natural light pouring through the glass creates a unique sense of openness inside the station. From the elevated walkway, known as the Skyway, you can look out over the city of Kyoto. Kyoto Tower can also be reached directly from Kyoto Station through an underground passageway. Looking down from Kyoto Tower, it becomes surprisingly clear just how compact Kyoto really is, unlike Tokyo, where the city stretches endlessly across a vast urban landscape. Kyoto spreads out within a basin surrounded by mountains. Another distinctive feature of Kyoto's landscape is the near absence of skyscrapers due to strict height restrictions. The area visible over there is around the Kyoto Imperial Palace, which has long been considered the historical center of the city. Even today, Kyoto's central districts continue to spread out around this area. Meanwhile, Kyoto Station is located slightly further south, away from the traditional city center. Because of this, it became possible to build such a massive station and develop an extensive railway network around it. As you look out over Kyoto, you begin to realize that this thousand-year-old capital is also a major modern transportation city. Within the quiet mountain basin surrounding Kyoto, Kyoto Station alone seemed to carry the presence of a city from another era.